Hello students, I am with you a very beautiful poem, Basket Full of Moonlight. In my previous video, I covered all the chit chat activities. Today I am with you the complete explanation of the poem Basket Full of Moonlight. Very beautiful poem written by Indian poet Sunil Sharma. So, Basketful of Moonlight. This poem is composed by Sunil Sharma. It is translated from Dogri language. Students, this poem is translated from Dogri language into English language. And the speaker in the poem is a child. The speaker in the poem is a child. And the poem is addressed to the moon. या पोएम मधला जो स्पीकर आहे तो चाइल्ड आहे. इथं तो मूनला ऍड्रेस करतोय. लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट स्टांजा. ओ मून, गिव मी मूनलाइट, basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. Here the child addressed to moon that, O moon, give me moonlight. I want a basket full of moonlight or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. I want the seeds of moonlight, a basket full or two full baskets. मला एक बास्केट फुल किंवा दोन बास्केट फुल मला चंद्र प्रकाशाचे मला बियाणे पाहिजे आहेत. आय वॉन्ट सीड्स ऑफ मूनलाइट. ओ मून गिव मी सीड्स ऑफ मूनलाइट. हाऊ मच? बास्केट फुल और टू बास्केट्स फुल. दोन टोपलीभर किंवा एक टोपलीभर मला दे. Second stanza. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. See how the child is innocent. या पोएम मधला जो मुलगा आहे तो किती इनोसंट आहे बघा. तो काय म्हणतो? फ्रॉम द सिटी टू माय विलेज ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ आय वॉन्ट टू सो मेनी small moons of light. Very easy. Meaning is very easy. On the sides of the path, the small child wants to sow many small moons of light from the city to his village. From the city to his village, the child wants to sow many small seeds of moonlight. Students, the picture of rural area is depicted in this poem. The child lives in a village which is in darkness, which is away from city. That's why he addressed to moon, moon, give me basket full or two baskets full of moonlight, seeds of moonlight. Because from the city to my village, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. All of we know that. From the villages, from village areas, thousands of people goes to city daily for earn a living. For their bread and butter. आपलं पोट भरण्यासाठी हजारो लोक विलेज मधून सिटी मध्ये जातात. डेली, एव्हरी डे. Thousands of people from village areas goes to city daily to earn a living, to work, and it becomes dark on its way back, because or as my village is quite far. After finishing their work, after finishing their duty, when the people returns from city to village, it becomes quite dark because their village is quite away from city. जेव्हा ते काम संपवतात, रात्री जेव्हा ते संध्याकाळी जेव्हा ते घराकडे परततात, खूप अंधार होतो का? बिकॉज रिझन आहे, देअर विलेज इज क्वाईट अवे, क्वाईट फार फ्रॉम सिटी. त्यांचं गाव हे शहरापासून खूप दूर आहे. सो द चाइल्ड लिव्स इन अ विलेज विच इज इन डार्कनेस. थोडक्यात आपण लक्षात असं घेऊया, द प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑफ द विलेजेस आर प्रेझेंटेड इन द पोयम. या कवितेमध्ये विलेज प्रॉब्लेम पण सांगितलेले आहेत. पहिला प्रॉब्लेम आपल्या लक्षात घेऊया, लॅक ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. पीपल गोज टू सिटी डेली टू वर्क मीन्स अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. समस्या आहे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. The child wants to sow seeds on the sides of the path. He wants to brighten the path or the road. Means lack of electricity. So the problems of villages are presented in this poem. Next. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. How is the route? Tough and full of snakes and scorpions. खडतर आहे, स्नेक्स असतात, स्कॉर्पियन्स रस्त्यावर असतात. Neither bus nor cart plies. Plies means ये जा करणे. Travels regularly over a route. Neither bus nor cart plies. It means lack of transport. इथं वाहतुकीचा अभाव आहे. One problem faced by the villagers: lack of electricity, unemployment, lack of transport, and route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions means rugged or tough road. So these are the 4 problems faced by the villagers. थोडक्यात कवीने या ठिकाणी गावच्या समस्या सुद्धा मांडलेल्या आहेत. Neither bus nor cart plies when my father returns home, I am asleep. बाबा घरी जेव्हा परत येतात तेव्हा मी झोपलेला असतो. Because father returns home late at night. Because road is not proper there. Rugged road, tough roads, no transport facilities. That's why his father returns home late. त्याचे बाबा घरी उशिरा येतात. And when his father returns to home, he is asleep. तो झोपी गेलेला असतो. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. His father has to leave home or has to leave for city for his work early in the morning. बाबांना सकाळी परत कामाला लवकर निघावं लागतं, तेव्हाही तो झोपलेला असतो. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. The child addressed to moon, and what he demands from the moon: give me a basket full of moonlight. मला एक टोपलीभर भरून चंद्र प्रकाश दे. But how? On loan, credit. उसने. Loan means credit. उसने दे मला. का? Because I want to light the dark route. I want to light the route which is in dark, so that my father returns early. मला रस्ता उजळवायचा आहे, त्यामुळे माझे बाबा घरी लवकर येतील. And when my father will return home early, I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. बघा, how innocently the child is requesting to moon. Moon, give me a basket full of moonlight because I want to light the dark route. मला अंधारलेला रस्ता उजळवायचा आहे in order that my father will return to home early, and when my father will return home early, I will hear many fairy tales and stories from him. Child wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. But when he can hear fairy tales and stories from his father, when his father will return home early. मग बाबा घरी लवकर कधी परत येतील? When he will light the dark route. That's why he is requesting, he is addressing to moon, give me a basket full of moonlight because I want to light the dark route, and my father will return home early and I will hear fairy tales and stories from him. So, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. चंद्रा मला एक टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाश दे. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. रस्त्याच्या बाजूला मला चंद्राचे मला चंद्रप्रकाशाचे मला बियाणे पेरायचे आहेत. See how innocently the child requesting his father, requesting to moon to give me a basket full of moonlight because he wants to sow the seeds on the sides of the path. He wants to light the dark route. He wants to light the dark route. पहा, in the poem, two things are mentioned which are very heart touching. हृदयस्पर्शी दोन आहेत. तो म्हणतो की when my father returns home, I am asleep. And when he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Why his father returns to home late? बाबा घरी लेट का येतात? Because road is not proper, no transport facilities, no electricity. वडिलांना शहरात जावं लागतं because for his earning, for work, and he comes to home late at night because of the rugged or tough road. That's why the child addressed to moon, oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. तो लोन वरती मागतोय, क्रेडिट म्हणून मागतोय, because child wants to light the dark route and so that his father will return home early. त्याला रस्ता अंधारलेला रस्ता उजळवायचा आहे, त्यामुळे आपले बाबा घरी लवकर परत येतील. And when his father will return home early, he will get an opportunity, he will get a chance, or he will enjoy many fairy tales and stories from his father. That's why he addressed to moon, oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight because I want to sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path. रस्त्याच्या कडेला मला चंद्रप्रकाश मला बियाण्याची मला पेरणी करायची आहे. So this poem is written by Indian poet Sunil Sharma. This poem was actually written in Dongri language. Dongri language is spoken in some hilly areas in some part of the Kashmir and some part of the Himachal Pradesh. हिमाचल प्रदेशच्या काश्मीरच्या काही भागात डोगरी भाषा बोलतात. आणि that poem Sunil Sharma translated in English language. Originally, the poem was written in Dogri language. मूळ ही कविता डोगरी भाषेत होती आणि ते सुनील शर्मानी इंग्लिश मध्ये ट्रान्सलेट केलेली आहे. सो व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल पोएम रिटन बाय सुनील शर्मा, basket full of moonlight. So students, in this video just I have covered explanation of the poem. So watch this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos with maximum students. Thank you so much.